Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I will show you how to use the command in range in TIA portal Mi16 PLC S7-1200. Let's start. So I go to my software and here I use one command, in range command. First of all we go to the comparator operations, and here you see in previous lectures we discussed about it less than and greater than commands, and now we start in range command. I will use it my here in range command, and here he asking how I give the signal to from hardware to my PLC with this command. So I say I use a 0.0 for my input signal, and here first of all you have to be define here which data you have to be used. You like to use int, int, dint, usint, many of datas, but I in this lecture I use this int data because of int data 16-bit data, like to use 8-bit data, 16, 32, whatever. If you need to 32-bit data, you have to use double word or word. In this value, first he asking for minimum value. Minimum how much you like to, on which thing you like to start any relay or something, what yani. So first you have to give him minimum value. I say minimum value is 1, and which he says which data you have to be write from where yani. So I say I use that MW0 I data register I will use for to use this command, and here is he asking maximum value how much you need. So I say maximum, I put 5 for maximum value, because of when in range command have to be used, this have to be must define minimum value how much you need and maximum value how much you need. For example, it can be counter MW0, it can be a analog from your tank or something from your linear, or which any minimum and maximum area you like to stop your motor or something. So I gives the minimum value 1 and maximum value give 5, and here I use one more command for give to the data to the MW data register. I use that one my counter to giving signals, so I use that counter for to give data to my this data register, and which from signal I used I0.1 signal I used for I0.1 signal I used for my counter, because whenever you like to use this range you have to be give data yani. From where you like to give data, you can be a counter, you can be analog, you can be a yani, any type of data. When you use, you have to be used data register, and here this command asking for which signal you like to be reset this data. So I say I0.2 I used for my reset data, and he say here is the present value how much you like to put. So I put 100, no problem, or 50, and any you like can put any, which is depends on your project. Here I see this data also in MW0. I can see MW0. I can see So this program I will download to my PLC. Constant error found during completion. We have some error. Where is the error? He says yani must you have to be put one coil which yani you need to be some motor on or what on like to. So I will put it here Q0 dot Q0 dot 0 Q0 dot 0 I will put for my this command using. So then again download. This is very simple method to use these commands. And now I go to the simulation, and this data I will go to the in decimal put, because of first showing you can see easily there this data register. So see now for example, now here my data register MW0 don't have any data. I put it one here, one signal. Here also you can see that's I put 5. Why not going the data register to? Oh, how we make one more this mistake because of this value I see in MW0, but here I put this present value 500. Have to put here MW0 data register I have to put, because of if I put it directly this data is transfer this data at their command. And again then download, then click load. And make it simulation on. So this I give first to monitor this one in decimal, and here I define 1 and 5. Oh sorry, I have to be give signal from I0.1. I choose my output wrong. See now it's coming is the signal of my counter, and this Q0.0 when is 1 counting it will be on, because of there is a 1 to 5 is in range, and I give second, third, fourth, 5, this is totally in range. When it's going to 6, now output will be closed, because of now this data from 1 to 5 is going to out range. And also if you need this data in like to set from HMI, also you can go there simply here and here you can put this all data registers. I stop my PLC, and I put it here MW5 data register. MD5 also I can give. No, MW0. If I using int, here I have to use MW10, and here if you like to use MW15, and this again you can download to the PLC. And make it simulation on, and as per see, your all data is now goes to 00, and this data I will put now maximum value, minimum value. He asking for what? Minimum value I put 1, and that is MW0. MW0, this counts are coming. First I give the signal and just make it 0. I0.0. That's I put for I0.2 for a reset. And this value I will put that for example I put 7. How much value you can put in 1 to 7 in range, or 1 to 10, or I0.1. See, when I giving the counts to the this MW0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this also have to make first on. This is the in range journey. When this data is from 1 to 7 in range, our Q output 0, Q0.0 will be on, and as per it's going to 8, that will be that Q0.0 will be closed. And I hope guys, in this video you complete understand about this in range command. This is the last simple method of the using of in range command in TIA portal. If you not understand anything, or you have to any questions, you can send me in message in comment section. I will give you the feedback of the comment, or you can email me. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.